Chinese restaurant, the modern one, then they write the food name and the amount. You go just say 008, 009, 035, 016, 2000, 085, 32,000, 018, 19,000. That time when you take girls go there, they go want make you feel like say that they come there on their own before. As soon as they enter, she won't intimidate you. You go, they greet people which she don't know. You took my change yesterday, Abi. The boy go say, no, madam, not today they employ me. I know you will soon do it.
My name is Igo Save, a comedian, an actor, and you're watching Auto Expert with the celebrity. Not go anywhere, we do a full ground now.
When I go sit down, you never shout. The girl don't they shout. Waiters! Can you brought the menus already?
Life at the beginning without a car, it wasn't painful because I wasn't even aware if I'm supposed to have a car then. So I was just living the normal life of a normal young man that is striving to get to the peak. So it wasn't really painful. Entering public transport was the normal thing for me. It was the big boy thing for us then. Trekking was the small boy thing. Entering public transport was the real thing for us then. So not owning a car then wasn't a big problem for me at all because trekking was the order of the day. But at least with the six small transports, they enter motor. So it was really good for me then.
Wait, I go give him. She won't make you feel like say she know what she they eat. Like say she they come there before. You go call Lucam. Give me Wow. Okay, give me 018 and 037 for now. After 30 minutes, when they bring waiting, she order a cigar and lighter.
The brand of my first car was a Nissan Maxima. It wasn't a brand new and it wasn't Tokumbo. It was a second car. I bought it in Surulere here in Lagos. I'm not going to say the car even get fault. The shop fuel. So to revise, now like 5 liters. But it wasn't bad. I mean, it took me to the next level, made me strive hard to get a better car. So that was a stepping stone. Though I later had a very terrible accident with it, though no life was lost. And from there we moved to the next level. But it was a good car, Nissan Maxima. Most times before embarking on a very long journey, I check my oil, then the water level, then I gauge the tires. And these are the vital parts of the car that I put into consideration before embarking on any journey. And it's very important you do that.
I they always happy because take it or leave it. Men are the most natural people. Men are the form. That is why anything that they do natural. Even for their BlackBerry, check their PM. Either you go sit there for office or men even wear boxers.
I obey traffic rules all the time because if you don't obey traffic rules, if you break the traffic rules, it might lead to a terrible accident. Because if the other person is obeying the traffic rule and you're not obeying it, when it's showing green lights over there, that means the person should move, and it's showing red on your path and you disobey the red light and you move, it might result to accident. So these are one of the basic reasons why I always try my best to obey all the road traffic rules for all road users to be safe and secure.
Guess these days, I don't know, toilets don't turn to studio.
Okay, my speed limits within town and on express roads, it depends on the speed limits allowed on any road. Like in pedestrian zones, we are allowed to drive 30 and below, while on the express, I can do 120, 100, 130, and there are some places that 80 is allowed. There are some places you'll see the sign 60. So we try to adjust to all of it, but I really like to go fast most times. But when I'm late, I hate to go fast because you are under pressure and it might lead to accident as well. So it's very good to obey speed limit rules as well.
And anyway, shout out to the guests where they go snap Richmond does be for my timer update and say it was mad fun last night.
Some of the basic tips to avoid auto crash, accident as we call it mostly. First of all, You must obey all traffic rules. You must obey all traffic signs as well. Traffic signs, road signs, you must obey them, because if you don't, it might lead to a big auto crash. You must avoid answering calls while driving, trying to snapshot, trying to take pictures with your cell phone, trying to discuss with someone sitting at the back of your car. I mean, all these things are bunch of distraction, and accidents happen within seconds, not within minutes actually. So in 2 seconds you can just see yourself in the midst of a very big accident. In another 5 seconds even, an accident is over in 5 seconds. So a second for you to turn your neck to talk to somebody, a second for you to take a picture might lead you to a fatal accident, and this might cost you your life. This might even make you lose contact with your loved ones forever. Accident is not a good thing for anybody. So let us obey traffic rules. Let us check the parts of our cars, and let us make sure everything is intact before we embark on any journey, no matter how long or how short. That's what's up.
And if you dey bleach, I go get problem with you. Not be everything we rain una go embrace. Our bleaching go just rain, our guests just embrace them. And life is not even fair. And funny enough, all these guys where they bleach, if you accuse them, they always lie. Just they say, in Keshi, it's like you are bleaching. You say, no, everybody keeps saying it. It's ordinary baby pears I'm using.
Insurance covers you and your car in case of accident or negative thing that might happen to you. I mean, the insurance can cover for you. Nigerians should also be informed about insurance. Nigerians are not informed about it. So the insurance covers you a long way. So get yourself insured.
You know, say those days to cash you the bleach, not through the knuckle or their elbow in the black. Now they get all the cream where they blend everything. Smooth. But me, I say, worry boy, if I accuse say you are bleaching, you say, me bleach? It's SC. I'll say, pull your trouser. You know, say center of yash cream there, they touch there.
Yeah, what's up, people? Keep watching Auto Expert. It's your guide to safety. I go save, say so. Peace. I go save, say so. I don't move.
I call the transfer block. They sweat. They transfer. They sweat. They transfer. They sweat. God so kind. They are organ when I go do event for the pass. Now he stops. I go save. What is happening? How many blocks have you transferred? I said, sir, he asked me to transfer 200. How many have you transferred? I say, I've transferred only 199. We are sorry. Return the blocks and go back to work. Thank you very much.
100.
It is trending all over social media. People are talking about happiness. People are ensuring happiness. The LEADWAY Household Automobile Personal Accident Policy. The L Happy from LEADWAY Assurance Company. Some members of staff of the LEADWAY Assurance Company gave their happy notes. Take a look.
Everybody hurts. Everybody walks along the lonely road sometimes. Let me take
Assurance, ensuring happiness since 1970.
My name is Ngozi Oche. I work at LEADWAY Assurance Company Limited. Happiness to me is feeling deeply, enjoying life, taking a risk at life, giving the ability to think freely, exactly the way I want, and being needed. And here at LEADWAY, we would like you to be happy. And so to get our L Happy policy, simply text happy to 22865.
The secret of success in life is for a man to be ready for the opportunity. Most importantly, when it comes. I know that there are things that make you happy in life. Your house, your cars, your content. Most importantly, your family. Here at LEADWAY, we want you to be more happier than you are. And that's why we have the L Happy policy for you. To access this policy, simply text happy to 22865. You'll be glad you did. I'm Uchenna Onoha, here at LEADWAY Assurance. Thank you.
LRP is LEADWAY lifestyle insurance cover that protects those things that matters to you most, whether it's your home, automobile, or your personal interest. Get LRP today. SMS happy to 22865. When life happens, stay happy. I'm Lorena Uka Ifoma from LEADWAY Assurance. Thank you.
Happiness is a treasure. Find it. Happiness is a necessity. Embrace it. Happiness is a value. Uphold it. We've been talking about the L Happy policy from LEADWAY Assurance Company. Some people have given their happy notes, but let's talk to the retail experts. Alex Anaba, the National Retail Manager, General Business, LEADWAY Assurance Company.
The L Happy policy. This policy is a package umbrella policy from the stables of LEADWAY Assurance Company. And what this policy does is that it covers all the basic aspects of risk an individual can be exposed to. It gives you cover for your motor vehicle, cover for your building, cover for the content in that you're building. Of course, not forgetting members of your household. And above all, providing a public liability for you as well. All of these are coming under one tidy plan. And I tell you, very affordable. LEADWAY is so much committed to ensuring that your happiness is guaranteed year in, year out. At LEADWAY, we strive to make life easier, and we make it much more easier by ensuring that you access our policies, particularly this L Happy, with ease. All you need to do is simple. Take out your mobile phones, SMS happy HAPPY to 22865. I repeat, take your mobile phone now, SMS happy to 22865. I tell you, you'll be glad you did. LEADWAY is committed to ensuring that you are happy all the way.
This is how we wrap it up today on this insurance segment on Auto Expert. My name still remains Letifa Tajao. Keep it with me next week, same time, same station. And hey, keep watching Auto Expert. It's your guide to your safety. And remember to get your L Happy policy from LEADWAY Assurance Company today. Have an amazing week ahead and enjoy the rest of the program.